Hello YouTube, TJ EDC Live here. Today I have another unboxing for you guys, and this one is coming from Oz Machine Company. Yeah, I got another Rosie, and this one is a special one because it's a speed hoe configuration. This will be my first speed hoe kind of knife. So yeah, let's check it out. I'm using my other Rosie, the Silver Surfer one, to unbox this. Cut box open. And let's see what's inside here. Okay. Okay, we got the just normal Oz Machine Company, proudly made in the USA box. Look inside the box. Looks like we got the sticker. See the sticker. It says model is Roosevelt. Knife number is 3059. And birth date is February 27th, 2024. And then 63 to 64 HRC MagnaCut blade and speed hose, all tie construction, and then a signature of the maker. And we also got a cool sticker. Let's set this aside. And here is our knife. Let's put the box aside for now. And as you can see, there are 3 big holes on this scale. This side is just normal, but this show side has 3 speed holes. Yeah, it's quite interesting to me, and this is my first knife that has speed holes. I think it looks really cool. You can see the blade inside, and when it's open, you can actually see the construction of the knife inside. Looks like there is some internal mounting as well on both sides of the scales inside. And yeah, stonewashed blade. First impression is pretty light. This knife is pretty light. And action, let's see the flicking action. Oh, so snappy. Yeah, every Rosie has the same kind of snappy D10. It's just tuned to be perfect, the D10. And the closing action is super smooth as well. The hardwares are just stonewashed pivot, stonewashed screws, and stonewashed backspacer. And the clip is dark stonewashed, I believe. Okay, let's take a closer look at this knife. Yeah, you can feel the holes, but it doesn't affect the ergos or anything. Actually, you can actually put a finger in the hole and then it will give you more grip. I didn't think about that before, but yeah, you can actually put your finger inside of the hole like that to give you more grip. Cool. Let's do some size comparison. First, let's compare it to a PM2, Spyderco PM2, when close, and then when open. It's definitely smaller than the PM2. Both the handle and the blade. As you can see. How about Para 3? Spyderco Para 3. It's almost the same, but the handle is a little bit shorter than the Para 3. But the blade is quite similar in length. As you can see. Okay. Let's do a side-by-side comparison to my other Rosie, which is this one. Yeah, you can see a big difference in terms of handle material, but both are stone-washed blade. Yeah. Okay, let's do a weight test on this knife. Since it has quite some milling, since it has holes on this scale, I assume this will be lighter. Let's see. Turn on the scale. See how much it weighs. Okay. 2.956 ounce. Let's see my other Rosie. This one with 2.974 ounce. Super nice machine work on those holes. You can see there's chamfering inside of the holes, so there's no sharp edges anywhere. Just super comfortable holding it. Yeah, action is so good on this knife. Perfect for middle finger flag. And then the closing action is just as smooth. Okay, there you go. This is the speed hole configuration of the Oz Machine Company Rosie. Let me know what you think. Do you like this kind of speed hole design, or do you hate it? Let me know. And thank you for watching.